Hello everyone and welcome to another lecture of PHP and MySQL. So in this lecture I'm going to show you how to use and what are the global variables and local variables, or what is the variable scope whenever you use a variable inside a function or outside a function. The fastest way for you to understand this is that whenever you create variables outside a function, that variable can only be called or used outside the function at all times, not inside the function. So let me show you an example. Let me create here name Victor. Okay, so now inside this function, if I use echo and I use the variable name, and now I type my car, semicolon, save this. What happens is that it says, notice, undefined variable on line 9. Okay, so this is undefined variable. Why? Because whenever you want to use a variable inside a function, you need to declare it inside a function. Okay, so we should type here name equals, and let's type Mercedes. Now if we go back and refresh, there it is. Okay, when you create variables inside a function, it is called a local variable, and when you have variables outside a function, there are global variables. And as you can see in this case, we can even have in the same script two variables with the same name, but they have different values. This one has Victor and this one has Mercedes. Okay, if I type here echo, let me take this out. If I type here echo name, the result is going to be Victor and not Mercedes. Okay, there it is. Okay, so very simple and very easy to understand. There are also the super globals that we already know, and those are the ones that you can use inside any function. These built-in variables that come with PHP are always super global, and you can use them anywhere. Okay, like the post, okay, or the request, and also the get. Okay, so these are always available for you to use anywhere, and they will always work inside any function. So that's it, and see you guys in the next lecture.